Thank you for joining this lesson. We are going to study number 14, Kcse 2022 Examination Mathematics Paper 1. It is on similarity and enlargement. Remember to subscribe and to share this link with your friends. We are told that the height of a cone is 12 centimeters. And a frustum, whose volume is 1/8, the volume of the cone is cut off. Determine the height of the frustum. The first thing we should do here is to understand what a frustum is, and it should be noted that when we have a complete cone, a cone is a pyramid with a circular base, like this one. Therefore, we are told that the height here is 12 centimeters. Now, a frustum is cut off when this pyramid is cut at a plane which is parallel to the base. What we obtain here is a small cone and a frustum. Therefore, the frustum now is taken away, and we are told that this frustum has a volume which is an eighth of the cone's volume, which means the smaller cone, which is left here now, is having 7 out of 8. Therefore, for us to apply similarity and enlargement, we should first of all compare volumes to get volume scale factor, and we again compare the heights so that we get linear scale factor. Therefore, we can say that a volume of small cone to volume of the bigger cone or big cone is going to be, if we give a ratio of 1, the complete cone, then this other one is having a fraction of 7 out of 8 of the original volume. Therefore, this means the volume scale factor, when we compare original cone and the smaller cone which remained after a frustum has been cut off, is going to be, we can have it as 8:7. Now with volume scale factor, we can take its cube root so that we remain with what we call linear scale factor. So to get linear scale factor, we take the square root of 8:7. This is going to be the cube root, the cube root of volume scale factor gives us linear scale factor. So this becomes 2 is 2. Okay, the cube root of 7 is irrational, so we can leave it as a third form to maintain the accuracy. Now, this is our linear scale factor. With the linear scale factor, we know that for the larger cone or the original cone, whereby it is taking the proportion of 2 as a volume of 12. What about the cube root of 7? What height is it going to have? Now the smaller cone which remained. So 12 times third root of 7 divided by 2. So we can compute this one using a calculator. 12 times the cube root of 7, then we divide with 2 or divide by 2. This gives us 11.48 centimeters. That means the smaller cone which remained after cutting off a frustum is having a height of 11.48. Remember, the total height is 12. Therefore, height of frustum is going to be 12 minus 11.48. Therefore, when we take 12 minus 11.48, we shall get 0.5224. These are centimeters to 4 significant figures. So this will be the height of the frustum which was obtained. Thank you for following. Subscribe and share the link.